Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply eyeshadow step by step, and I'm so excited because today I am using an all new palette. I'm using the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals palette. I just received this in the mail yesterday. I was literally waiting a month because it was sold out. So I just received it. I'm going to show you inside what we're working with today. This is the perfect palette to really build a beautiful holiday look, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. So I just want to show you guys some of the colors that we're working with. This palette is incredible. I'm going to make so many tutorials with this palette because look at this, like, oh. So without further ado, let's get started. I want to dive right in. Now, I did have a hard time finding my regular Smashbox eyeshadow primer that I use. So today I just used my normal face primer, which is the Photo Finish Smashbox. So I have primed my eyeshadows, and on top of that, I put the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. So this is on my eyelids currently, and I'm ready to go for eyeshadow. Now all the makeup brushes that I'm using today are from the 7-piece set from Mint Pear, and I'm linking that below. Okay, so getting started, since this is the first time I'm using this palette today, I'm just going to start with a neutral shade. So I want to take this right here, this Soothe. I'm going to take this one and lightly go right into my crease with this color. And bring it all the way into the center and upwards onto my brow bone. Now this is going to be my transition shade, and I want to extend this out just a little bit right underneath my brow bone, but not going too far past where my end of my eye and eyebrow end. I just want to extend it right to that point and just gently, lightly blend that with a very light hand. Just blend that right out. Next, I want to take a stiff shader and go right with this aura. Go right in the center of my lid. Now with a Soften and Smudge Brush, I'm going to take that same bottom Soothe color right here and just go right underneath my waterline all the way. And now we're going to get a little messy, a little more serious. So I'm taking a stiff shader with this Ritual right here, this dark Ritual. And I'm going to pack that on the outer and inner corner of my eyelid, right here. Now this brush is literally just to apply, and then I'm going to take a different brush to blend that out. So I'm just packing on the shade right now. And I'm going to go right here on the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to take that up just a little bit into my crease. But I'm being really careful not to go above my crease with that color. These eyeshadows apply super well. They're blendable. They're super pigmented. I'm not getting a lot of fallout or kickback. So that's amazing. Excellent job, Tati. Now I'm going to take a crease blend and just blend that in a little bit into the crease, avoiding that center area of my eye. Just really blending that well into the crease. Now with the Soften and Smudge, I'm going to take that Ritual brown and just go right underneath my waterline on the outer corner. And extend that into a wing coming out of my eye. Now since this is a holiday look, we want to be really dramatic, so we're going to get even more crazy and go in with this Memory Matte Black, taking the Soften and Smudge. I'm gonna line my lash line with this very pigmented black shade, which is incredible, and just kind of weave that out just a little bit and take that down onto the bottom outer corner. Now we're going to get really crazy because honestly, I'm really excited about the glitter options in this palette. It's so incredibly beautiful. There are so many options. For this look today, I do want to keep it really special for the holidays. So I think I'm going to go in with this one right here and just keep it kind of in this darker ritual. Now I'm just taking a little bit. The thing about eyeshadow glitters, you don't want to go in with a brush. It's really best to apply this with your finger. So I'm just going to take this and go right over and pack this on really carefully in the center of my eye and just press this on. Keeping that right in that center of my eyelid. I'm not going above my crease. I'm just really packing that on. How is that? Ooh. Girl, yes you did! Those are so pretty. Glitter can be so messy and so hard to work with, so being able to really nail a glitter eyeshadow is a big deal. And you can tell that Tati worked really hard to make sure that these are exactly what they should be in this type of palette. Now that I have the glitter in place, I'm going to go back over above my lash line with the black matte memory using the Soften and Smudge brush and just connecting the eyeliner all the way over that glitter. Now I'm going to take the Clinique black eyeliner and just go right inside of my bottom waterline right here on the corner and bring that in. Taking a clean stiff shader, I want to go in and just grab just a little bit of this sparkly aura and go right above my brow bone to just give that a nice little pop and brightness. I also want to take a little bit of that sparkly aura and put that right inside the inner corner of my eye just for a nice little pop of brightness. Now I'm going to throw in a little bit of mascara. Today I'm using the Lancome Monsieur Bic, my favorite. For lashes today, I'm going to be applying Wispies by Ardell. For lips today, I want to keep it very festive and fun and flirty, so I'm personally going with a bright, bold red, but you could easily wear this look with a nice nude or light pink, just depending on your preference. But today I'm going to show you a nice, bold red. So I'm going to line with the IT Cosmetics Cherry Flush. And today's lip gloss is Tarte Tahiti, the H2O Gloss Set. And here we have it, the final and completed look using the all new Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals palette volume number 1. I was so excited to receive this palette, and I am still excited to create beautiful looks from this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do have any questions on how I created this look, just be sure to leave your comments below. I'm always here to help. I'm so thankful for your support and your love. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.